Hey beautiful people, thanks for tuning in. You're watching Monica here in my channel Be Yourself, and you're watching this channel for the first time. Take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my further videos. And today I'm sharing my hair care routine. This one is a much requested video. I know you've been asking this for a long time. Last hair care routine was in 2017 and it's been 3 years now, and it's been a journey for me to adapt to a hair care routine. Very simple, yet it's very good, and I want to share all the tips and tricks. Firstly, I want to share how I dry my hair. I don't use any hair dryer. Yes, I have long hair and I don't use any hair dryer. I towel dry my hair. Like, I leave it for 30 to 45 minutes like this. I wrap my hair and I leave it like this. I use a normal cotton, soft cotton towel. You can also opt for a microfiber towel, or you can also use a normal cotton t-shirt. And by this my hair will be like 80% dry. If I'm in a hurry, I will dry my hair in a table fan, or else I just leave it naturally and it's air dried. Also, there's another method of towel drying, that is pressing your hair using a soft cotton towel like I'm showing. I just gently, very gently press my hair and squeeze out the excess water, and by this also your hair will be 80 to 90% dry. Don't drop like this, it will cause friction and damage. Don't do that. Always press and dry your hair so that your hair texture, normal texture, is maintained. And if you have wavy hair, it will be maintained, and your hair will not be damaged, and it prevents split end. And your ends, hair ends also, just press and then dry your hair like so. And this is another method of towel drying. You might feel what a difference this is going to make to your hair, but trust me, better than hair dryer. Try this towel drying method, you will be surprised. And now my hair is 90% dry. I'll be using a serum. I'm using Livon hair serum. This one is for dry and frizzy hair. You will need like 3 to 4 drops. Spread it between your palm and then apply it to your hair length, not to your scalp, to your hair length, because I have heard that Livon contains silicone and so many of stuff, but it's good for my hair length, and it locks in the moisture. That's why I apply it on my damp hair. It locks the moisture and gives a nice shine and smells good. You will just need 3 to 4 drops, and the small bottle, I'm using this for a year now, and still some product is left in that. And after applying this, I will apply coconut oil, any coconut oil, pure coconut oil. I'll just 2 to 3 drops I will take, and then rub it between my palms, and then apply it to my hair ends, because that needs more care. It's prone to get split ends, so I don't just directly apply like that, because I like my ends to be little wavy. So I just crunch the oil into my hair like so, so that my natural wave is maintained. I don't like my ends to fall flat, because I've done layers and it makes my hair look thin. So I have this natural wavy hair at the bottom and I want to maintain it, so I crunch like this so that the curl is maintained. Just 2 to 3 drops, it doesn't make your hair oily or greasy, and when you apply it in your wet hair, it gets easily absorbed. So try this. Now I'm going to detangle my hair. I'll be using a wide tooth comb. If you have thin hair, thick hair, curly hair, any type of hair, always use a wide tooth comb. And before using a comb, make sure that with your fingers you just remove the large tangles, which are, when you're washing your hair, definitely your hair will get tangled, and if you have long hair, for sure. So from bottom you start detangling. So I just start detangling from my ends, and then I go up. I'm detangling my wet hair, so I'll be very gentle. And when you're combing your wet hair, be very gentle, even though it's 90% dry, but make sure that you are doing it very gently. And I know sometimes you get stressed and you're in a hurry, and then you pull your hair like this, it will cause damage. So don't do that. Show some love and be very gentle. I get lot of questions that people asking me they are experiencing hair fall during hair wash and hair oiling days. With proper hair care routine and proper hair washing, your hair fall will be reduced. Like I hardly get 2 to 3 hair falling, and that's with a proper hair care routine. Now my hair fall has stopped, and when my hair is still drying, I do this in my front section so that I get some volume there. That's very optional. And the shampoo which I am using currently is Pantene Hair Fall Rescue or Hair Fall Solution. Pantene Hair Fall Solution. This is the shampoo I am currently using. And to be very honest, I am not a big fan of this shampoo. This actually making my hair little dry. And coming to the hair fall thing, I am not sure, because I am not experiencing extreme hair fall now, and I don't think so any shampoo can prevent or cure your hair fall problem. And I just wanted to try this, and before I was using that Pantene 2-in-1. It's awesome. I liked it a lot. It made my hair very soft. But this one, hair fall solution, I'm not liking it. It's making my hair little dry and frizzy, so I don't recommend this. But this is my current shampoo, and it's a huge bottle. I have to get over it. Also, I'm not using any hair conditioner. It's been more than 2 years now I have stopped using hair conditioner. I don't want to load my hair with chemicals, and conditioners, I don't see anything with them. So with my normal hair oiling and my hair pack, I'm okay with it, and that's more than enough to make my hair shiny and manageable. I'm not using any hair conditioner. And if you ask me the best conditioner, I will link the product in the description. You can go check it out. It's your wish. And some days I use this one, herbal hair wash. This is Sikakai, and this one is not a homemade. I bought it from Paris Corner in Chennai, and I have a huge stock of this. I really like this one foams. Actually, this contains Arita or Rita, I don't know. So it foams well, but it's not when you are having heavy hair oiling days, it will not get rid of all the oil, so you have to go for a shampoo. But when you're using mild hair pack or anything, I try to use herbal wash, and it's very good. It doesn't make my hair dry. Let me know if you want to make another video on Sikakai and the benefits and how I use it and all that things. And regarding hair oil, what oil I use, you all know that I use Bringraj oil. It's homemade. I'm using this from my childhood, and this is prepared by my mom, and I have a video how I do it, how traditionally we prepare Bringraj oil, and I'll give the video link in the description. Go watch it. It's the best hair oil. And sometimes when I'm getting bored of this oil, I try some other oil also. And currently I'm using neem and curry leaf oil, which I prepared like last month. There's a video on my channel also. So that is the oil I'm using now, neem and curry leaf. And other than that, you all know that I make a mixture of the essential oil, rosemary, lavender, eucalyptus, and I make hair oil, especially when I'm doing a deep hot massage. When I need a very deep, like aromatic and stress relieving hot oil massage, I try my essential oils. I mix with castor oil and coconut oil, and all that details I'll give it in. I've already shared in my hair oiling routine last month. I'll give the link also in the description. Go check it out. And lastly, these are the hair packs that I'm currently using. I'm using amla, hibiscus, henna, and Bringraj powders. I mix all these together and make a hair pack, and I'm using currently. Due to lockdown, I'm not able to get many ingredients. Also in my channel, I have many natural hair packs. All of them are used, tried, tested by me. Go check them. I'm sure that you will find a hair pack suitable for you, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If I'm not able to answer many of your questions, please write it down in the comment section. And the most asked question is that how frequently I wash my hair. I wash my hair once a week. I apply a hair pack 1 week, and next week I apply hair oil. And before washing my hair, I make sure that I apply hair oil and leave it for a day or overnight, and then I wash my hair. Also, if you are experiencing severe hair fall, please consult a dermatologist. 2-3 years back I had extreme hair fall due to stress and work pressure, and I consulted a dermatologist. They gave me a supplement and my hair fall was recovered. So please consult a dermatologist. I'll link the supplement which I had in the description. Go check it. And if you are experiencing hair fall due to stress, don't stress more. Meditate, and it's just hair, it will grow back, so don't worry. If you have any video request or any questions you have, write it down in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Take care guys. Bye bye. Love you all. Be safe. Also, I forgot to mention that this whole month of July I'll be uploading one video every day till 31st of July. So stay tuned, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, select all, so that you'll be notified of the further videos. And let's hit 100k soon guys. Take care. Bye.